Matthew 5:6. Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they shall be satisfied. The first three Beatitudes are about emptiness and lowliness. Now Jesus is saying that hunger and thirst need to happen so that we can be filled. We are a people who desire to be satisfied. The great tragedy for some of us is that even though this is the Spirit of God beckoning us to Himself, we turn away again and again to temporary, backfiring pleasures of R-rated videos, movies, drugs, alcohol, tanning parlors, or even a new toy. Have you ever thought about how there's nothing in this world that can truly satisfy us? Even after great friends, family, possessions, we still have this odd longing? C.S. Lewis put it in a perfect way when he said, "If I find it in myself to desire which no experience in this world can satisfy, the most probable explanation is that I was made for another world." How do we drink and eat this righteousness? Does that look like going to church, praying often, generously tithing? The hard part to grasp is that at the end of Jesus' Sermon on the Mount, many men came to him declaring their victories for God, but Jesus told them to leave because he never knew them. Jesus asks us to daily seek after his righteousness, the kind of righteousness that desires for the things of God. Not the passions and seemingly great riches of the world, but the deep righteousness that creates lasting satisfaction for our souls. If you hunger and thirst for his righteousness, then you are blessed. And if you are blessed, then you certainly are happy.